Now, the term crypto wallets is kind of a misnomer. When you think of a wallet, you think of something that's in your pocket that you can pull out that has cash or credit cards or coins in. In the crypto world, a wallet doesn't store your coins. Your coins are always held on the blockchain. What a wallet is, it's a piece of software that stores both your public and private keys. Now, if you have both public and private keys, this allows you to send and receive any of your digital assets on the blockchain. But you can't do that unless you have the private keys. Now, I showed you that the public keys are fine. Anyone can look at your wallet. They can see what transactions occurred on it on the blockchain. However, you can't move those coins unless you have access to the private keys. Now, there's a couple different ways of storing your crypto that are really important to highlight: hot wallets and cold storage. Now, in a hot wallet, it's something that's held online, and this can happen if you hold coins on a crypto exchange or in a desktop wallet or even on a web wallet. Now, with hot wallets, they're really convenient, but your coins are never fully secure. Anyone that hacks into this exchange is going to have access to your coins. Anyone that puts a virus on your desktop can also have access to your coins because now they have the private key and they can move those coins out. With cold storage, however, everything's held offline. You can hold them on a hardware device, or you can just write down or print out your public and private keys on a piece of paper. Now, with cold storage, they're much more secure than hot wallets, but they're not convenient because if you want to trade the Bitcoin that's held on your cold storage on a piece of paper, you first have to move those coins to an exchange that lets you trade against. So these are the key differences to understand when you're thinking about what type of wallet you should use to secure your crypto assets.